What's going on, guys? So as you can see, my little deck brush here, the pole broke on me and that little piece is stuck inside. Now, you don't need to throw this away. That would be wasteful. You can just remove this piece right here, and I'm going to show you in this video exactly how to do that. Now, this can happen to your broom, it can happen to your deck brush like me, but either way, here's what you do. So we're going to put one of these little drywall screws. This is just a little drywall screw. As you can see, that has some very pronounced threads here, so to really cut into the plastic here. So to put this drywall screw in there, because this is plastic, it's going to have a really hard time. If you just try to screw in that screw into here, it's not going to go in very well. So I recommend drilling you a little hole. Get you a little drill bit with your drill and drill a little hole first. Look at where I put the hole. See it? We're going to need to put in 2 holes. So watch this. Let's drill another one. Now I got 2 holes right there. Now we're going to put in the 2 drywall screws. Put your Phillips head bit in. Low and slow. Now put your other drywall screw in. So look. See, I got it in there. Now that we're going to put the other one in. And you ain't got to go real deep. We just need them in there nice and firm. Here's what it should look like. You got your 2 screws in there like that. Get you a pair of pliers. Don't matter what kind. This is just a regular old pair of needle nose pliers. Take them. Grip right like that. And turn. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Turn to the left. Like that. Turn. Turn. And there she is. So you see how I did that right there? I like that. And now you can just put a brand new threaded pole in there and you don't have to throw away your deck brush or your broom, and you'll be ready to go.